Hi, my name is Jennifer Rondo, and this is my video in regards to the workshop model. I have had some experience with it in the beginning of my teaching career doing Lucy Calkins, and my only concern was I was never formally trained on it. The year my principal started at this school, she had said, hey, next year we're going to be doing this curriculum, so if you want to start it now, you can, but you don't have to. So I started trying it then, and I will say the Lucy Calkins model seems very similar to your current workshop model, except the wording was a little bit different. They would call it the mini lesson, conferencing, and the share. And so when we were doing the mini lesson, we were told it needed to only be between 5 and 7 minutes. So that was something I struggled with. I think especially at the time being a new teacher, I found myself wanting to talk a lot. So my teaching style has changed over the couple years. So I do like though that you have 15 minutes because I do feel like that is a more meaningful time frame for a mini lesson or a crafting session. And I really did enjoy conferencing with students. I thought it was a great way to get to know them and really to give them that feedback and that opportunity to set goals for their own work and to check in with them to see how they're doing. At the school I'm currently at, they believe in more of a rotations model, and I still find myself trying to conference with students as much as possible or as often as I can. One of our rotations is guided reading, and I find I really do like the Jan Richardson's guided reading. It's been great, and I've seen kids move with that, but I still find myself pulling from Lucy Calkins and conferring with kids during that time also. So I do like the model. I've worked with a variety of principles and curriculum over my short teaching career so far. So I've learned I am very flexible and I adapt really well to new circumstances and new curriculum. I guess my biggest concern with the workshop model was when we were first doing Lucy Calkins. Actually, I did it at this school too with a different principal, and they only wanted us doing the workshop model with Lucy Calkins. And my problem with that was there was not enough of a foundation. There was no phonics or phonemic awareness. I didn't feel like we were practicing fluency and vocabulary. And I feel like that needs to be part of their foundation for reading and writing, and especially in kindergarten. And so I did find myself supplementing new material for that and finding ways to tuck it in. So I know I can do what's asked of me. I've pride myself on setting high expectations and, following the rules, but that doesn't mean I won't tuck in extra things because it's all about what the students need. So yeah, I guess that's my philosophy, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.